I will show you how to clear or delete all browser history from your Google Smart TV and Google Search. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you go back to the home page right here. So this particular browser I'm using on Google TV is known as Browser. If you have not downloaded and installed it before, let me simply walk you through on how you can download this particular browser and start to browse internet on your Google TV. So I'm going to simply go to the home page right here. So you can see Google browser Google right here, BBC, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, X. You can as well use DuckDuck browser, Amazon, Play Store. And this particular browser encompasses with a lot of things, just like what you see right here. You can as well browse TikTok. You can as well browse WhatsApp on TV. You can as well log into your Snapchat, Apple Mac, and etc. right here. Now, let's see how we can download and install this browser on your Google TV. First thing first, you want to make sure you navigate to settings on your Google TV. Click on settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down. Click on apps. Under the apps, make sure you look for Google Play Store and hit on open. And then it's going to take you right here. So you want to make sure you come to the search right here. And then go ahead and look for this particular browser right here. Click on it. And make sure you download and install this browser on your Google TV. This particular browser here allows you to do all sorts of things from internet in your Google Smart TV. So what you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you download and install it. After successful download and install, it on open, and it's going to take you right here. Now, how can we clear all our browse history from this particular browser? You can scroll down right here. Then you see delete history right here. Okay, what you want to do right here is to simply click on delete, and this is going to pump up delete history. No, this will delete all your history right here. Then go ahead and hit on OK, and you are done. All the browse history is going to be fully deleted from your Google Smart TV. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.